So when these things are dry, this is what happens. Your fountain, I even put my leveler on the top. It's level. So there's a trick to this. I can let this thing run, because I just turned it on after a day. And what it'll happen is, all the water will run out before it gets even. Now, like I said, you're okay, Lionel. So what I do is I put the water on here. I prefer the fan. Let's see. A little more. It's already been a minute. Sorry, guys. It took so long. And then you can see now that it's running a lot better. Let me get over there. Now it's running perfect because it is level. This thing runs all the time, but when I turn it off for a while, when I turn it back on, it won't fountain correctly. So there you go. That's a cool little hack. There's my Lionel. When I turned on the water earlier, he ran off and I scared him. There he is. Hi, Lionel.